everyone, a warm welcome to my channel Vision Free. At present I am in Kolkata in the Assam Bhavan of Kolkata. Actually I'm going to share my experience in the Assam Bhavan. So let's enjoy my journey and let's get started. It's 5:45 in the morning and we have just reached Kolkata. Now we are going to Assam Bhavan. Good morning to all of you. It's 7:30 in the morning right now, and we are going to the Assam Bhavan of Kolkata. Previously, it was located in Russell Street, and now it is located near Salt Lake. So we are going there, and it feels so good to be in Kolkata after so many years. We are almost about to reach, and the first building that you can see is the Assam Bhavan, and third one is the State House of Nagaland, and there are many more state houses of different states like Sikkim and many other, but I won't be able to show them. But this is the one Nagaland house that I'm showing right now, and after that we are heading to our state house, that is Assam Bhavan, and we are like almost there. And this is the road exactly in front of the Assam Bhavan, and it is well maintained, as you can see. It somewhat looks like this from the outside, and it looks very beautiful though, definitely. Now I'm going inside and let's see. As you can see, this Assam Bhavan was inaugurated by the former Chief Minister of Assam, that is Horbananda Honwal. Finally, we are going inside, and we all are very tired. I just need a deep sleep of like 3 to 4 hours. My father is doing some kind of official stuff, and now we are going to the seventh floor where we have our room, and this is the floor basically. And see you after a nap. It's 10:34 in the morning, and I'm like freaking hungry. I don't know what to eat right now. So there is a canteen. Definitely, I'm going to take you to the canteen. I'll show you actually what are the items that you can get there or something like that. After that, I'll give you the room tour. First of all, I'm going to the canteen. I'm going to have some food. After that, I'll like show you the whole room and every single thing. So see you at the canteen. I'm like so freaking late. Now I'm running to the canteen. Oh wait, this is a beautiful view that you can see from the floor that we are in right now. That is from the seventh floor, and it is looking very nice. And actually, it's a little bit cloudy outside, so actually you can see the darkness. And now I'm going to the second floor because the canteen is in the second floor. So let's go. Here we are. As you can see, this is one of the most beautiful canteen that I have ever seen because it doesn't even look like a canteen, it looks like a restaurant. Japi, Gamusa, you can see everything. And this is a beautiful washroom. Kisu dangor hoy, ahol bohol hoy. And this is me dancing on the road. And my parents are already sitting there because they're waiting for the food, and I am the person who's as usual always late for every single thing in my life. This is the kitchen that you can see. I'll definitely go there. I'll definitely show that one. But our food is here, roti and dal. There is not any specific morning menu or something like that. You will get whatever you want. The food was really very nice. Now again, I'm going back to the room. Finally, I'm done with my breakfast. Now I have reached my floor, and I'm exactly in front of my room. But actually, it is a very newly constructed structure. So for that reason, they have not even provided the room number plate, and all these things. Otherwise, the interior is very beautiful, and there are total 10 floors. Okay, out of which fifth and sixth floor is for the VIPs, and remaining are for the normal people. But the 10th floor is for the chief minister. And I'm so sorry, at that time I could not even make any blog because I was very, very tired after the whole journey, and so for that reason I took a deep nap. Let's go to the room now. Actually, it is the room, and the main thing is you can see all the things are here and there because we have already entered into the room and we slept and all these things. So now you can see the room. There's a huge wardrobe, and it looks nice though. Actually, and there are three bed for the three people. It's kind of a dormitory, but the room is quite big, and as you can see, gamusa everywhere. Obviously, we cannot go anywhere without gamusa, and two ACs because the room is way long, and there is a TV they have provided here. I don't know whether we'll use it or not, but let's see. Let's go to the washroom. Yo. You can see it's a like huge washroom, and as you can see a big mirror over here. And yes, and this is a bathroom where you can take bath, and this is a toilet where you can do poop. And these are the two beautiful basins and a Savlon to here they provide corner. We have bought it. And wait, and this is the bathroom. Wait, let me on switch on the light. And this is the bathroom where already more ratiba gad huisu snan kursu snan, and now this that's it. Somehow finally we have decided to go out somewhere, but don't know where because everything is closed here because of covid, and at the same time it is raining outside, so I don't know, but let's go. And my mom is wearing sorry, and I'm doing vlogging, and basically I'm doing nothing but I'm giving the pose in front of the mirror and I'm getting scolded by my mom. Seriously, we don't have any plan where to go, but we have just come out and suddenly we have decided to go to a market which is called Goria Hut, which is exactly almost near to our location. So we decided to go there, and in Kolkata everything is closed due to COVID, which is a good thing though, but everything is closed here. And here we are in Goria Hut. As you can see, there are a lot of varieties you will get of everything, basically clothes, earrings, every single thing, home decor, everything. Finally, we have come back. Now I'm getting freshen up because I'm very, very tired, and so one thing that I have noticed here is that you no need to worry whether your room is clean or not. They will come to your room, clean your room two, three times in a day without even asking them again and again and again to do this actually, which is a good thing. Again, I'm in the canteen to have my dinner, and let's go. And this time I'm going to definitely show you the kitchen, and at the same time I'm going to talk to the person who's going to give you all the information regarding the menu, regarding the food that you'll get in the canteen. And they don't have a specific menus or something like that, they will cook whatever you want to have. Now you can see the kitchen is a huge kitchen. Now I'm going to talk to the person who's going to give all the information regarding the food. रात में क्या क्या खाना मिलेगा आज? रात में आज वेज, नॉन वेज में अगर कहें तो मटन, फिश में कहें तो रोहू, पापड़ा. That was it. And today we have ordered a veg thali for three of us. Dali, bhat, sabji and salad and papad. And this is sufficient for a person. The food was very nice. It was very light. It was not that much of spicy, and it feels like home.